Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to use math notes on calculator app with iOS 18 on the iPhone 15. Let's get started. So now with the new iOS we have really decent and cool features in the calculator application, so let me show you everything. Let's just open this app. And now it looks like basic calculator app, right? So let's just multiply 45 by 6, for example. Here is the answer. And if you accidentally tap this AC button and deleted everything, don't be afraid. Now you can check your calculations history. For this, just tap the icon with 3 lines and you'll see your equation right here. So now you can delete something using this edit button and here select to delete. So here is how it looks. And also, you can notice here this little calculator icon. So what it got us? We have here now scientific option. We can see many new features such as logarithms and so on. So it is really comfortable for students, for example, and it is really useful feature. Now if we tap this button again, we can see math notes. So now the notes application will open in the calculator. We can create new note and we can add 3 plus 3, for example. Let's do it, and here's the answer. Now we can multiply 3 by 3. Let's do it, and here is the answer as well. And now let's do it once more. So you can do just the same with any math calculations, and here you can save this note by tapping this down button and it will be shown right in the calculator icon. Now let's return to this application. For this I'm gonna tap basic, and the last cool feature we have here is we can tap it and enable to convert. So now we can select currency, for example dollars and euros, and here we can select currency. For example, I'm gonna type in $58, which will be 53 euros. You can also reorder it just using these arrows, and you can replace currency. Just tap dollar and here choose any other from the list, for example Ukrainian hryvnia. And here is your answer. So this is how it works. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.